Green light, thumbs up. Pilots prepare for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. If you're new to this and surprised by what you're looking at, don't worry. A lot of the students are here too. The beginning is an autonomous period where the robots all by themselves run to gain points. Trying to get gears into the airship, as we see how the Blue Alliance did, that was worth 60 points. Or trying just to cross the start line, which most of them did. So it's 80 to 55 in favor of the Blue Alliance. And now robots are going to try to place gears into the airship. So you see them racing around the field to pick up gears from the human players that are on the opposite side of the field. And then coming back to the airship to place them. Meanwhile, the pilots in the airship will place these gears on a succession to get the rotor spinning. So you see that central rotor spinning, that's one. We've got a penalty being called on 6301, a Red Alliance right now. And there goes the Red Alliance spinning up another rotor, that's two. You can see the status up on the board if you want to see how the scoring is going. So they're trying to get the gears into the airship and to get the rotors spinning. Now, the balls on the field are what are called fuel, and they go in the boilers. And sometimes alliances will choose not to deal with that, but there's a few robots here that are quite special at that. So now focus on the action with the robots having to go from one side of the field to the other with the gear. 6201 getting past 6301 and heading to the airship, trying to get it placed on there. That's 40 points per rotor. And Blue needs another rotor. Red could use another one too. Getting a third rotor is tough. Getting a fourth rotor is even tougher. Blue now doesn't quite have, there they go. You got to spin that enough times, and now they have another rotor. So it's 175 to 95 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Now the ropes will be dropped. Robots can get 50 points for each robot that can climb up and hit the sensor. 6201 rapidly moving up and turning on the blue light. 1965, the Firebirds trying to do it too. The Blue Alliance, three are climbing. Lots of points. It looks like they're going to walk away with this one with 1 second to go. Here are the results of that match. The airships take off, they race up and through the clouds and first to the finish line in the air race. The Blue Alliance with a new high score. They are the winner of this match and they get 2 ranking points. So up on the screen, you'll see the breakdown of the Red and the Blue Alliance for what they did in the match. Automobility is at the start, that's autonomous. Each of them had 3 robots crossing. The rotors, though, that gave an advantage of 20 points to the Blue Alliance because they got that rotor placed in that same autonomous period. 50 points.